WMDC na rambrai jerngam uba Bajop pingrop ulai ke Jingiaroh ke Seng Npp berkumjuru menteri rangba ke Jelau Conrad ke Sangma. Habai kram ginong thok khobor hadian ke jingmi no ke jong una ke Seng Congress uba Bajop ulong ba om shuladan ke nu ke Seng San perthai ke ban shim khia kum ke Seng Npp. Kham tam rilei ha ke be de be kam khapot bat ke Jela Assam. Ulai ke Jingiaroh kham tam menteri rangba ke Jelau Conrad ke Sangma ubala shim khia ban yakran pinbe yo porusam Kamtam ki badana ka constituency ke jong u.
I will work hard for the National People's Party, not only in Ramrai Jerngam constituency, but in Eastern West, in West Khasi Hills, and as a state as a whole.
But why the ruling NPP?
Like I said, there's no other party who has taken this step to solve this boundary problem. But we can see our chief minister has tried a lot, and we can see that in the next few days we can see that something has changed, something has changed. And in my district, West Khasi Hills district, where out of these 6 sectors where this boundary dispute is going on, 3 sectors is in my constituency: the Tarabari sector, Hahim sector, and the Gijang sector. So out of these sectors, as pointed out by Honorable Chief Minister Shri Conrad Sangma in the Assembly, he has pointed out that all those villages will fall in Meghalaya. So me as a representative, I know each and every corner of my constituency, all the villages which falls under my constituency. So I've seen that 97% of the villages has come to Meghalaya. So that is a big victory for us, for the state. So I don't know about other districts, but for my district, I am very happy. Yes, we have missed 2 villages, but Honorable Chief Minister is trying to get these 2 villages also to our side in the days to come.